Let us talk about the story of a woman in Kinshasa, Democratic Republic of the Congo. This is the story of Safi, entitled Seeking Pure Truth. Safi's name means pure. Just like her name, she desired to keep her thoughts, words, and actions pure, especially in her singing for the Lord. She sang in different churches in Kinshasa, but she felt that something was missing. She could not find the true and pure truth. She prayed at home, asking God to show her the true church. Although she attended other churches, she still was not satisfied. Eventually, she decided to stay at home and search by watching sermons on YouTube. One day, she found a sermon about the remnant church, which explained that the Seventh-day Adventist Church keeps the full Word of God. She became interested and searched on Facebook, where she contacted an Adventist. He invited her to attend church on Sabbath. When she went, she noticed how orderly and peaceful the worship was. There was no chaos. She said, "This is truly the place for me." She was also happy to see programs for her 3 children. The next Sabbath, she attended a closer Adventist church that was holding a 35-day evangelistic program. She attended every meeting and felt that it was meant just for her. In the end, she was baptized and joined the church. Today, Safi continues to think, speak, and act in purity and to sing for the Lord. She said that God used media to lead her to the truth. "I thank God," she said. "All this happened because of the media." This quarter's 13th Sabbath offering will help build a media center in Kinshasa so that more people can learn about the pure truth. Thank you very much for your faithful support of this important project.